So if you're comparing the Ninja to the Vitamix, and this is the Vitamix Explorian, you can also compare it to a 5200. The Vitamixes are coming with a 2 horsepower motor. They also come with these specifically designed containers with the durable rubber tops. I use mine every single day, and I've had this Explorian for over 4 years, and it's served me well. Now the blend sense is going to be different. It's less user input, right? There's less things that you need to do because you're not going to be putting a plunger in here. Like you're not putting a plunger in here. You just release, pop it open. You take off the cap and the blades will do all of the work for you. Lock it in. Place it in. And what Ninja is saying is that instead of you having to figure it out yourself, which is not hard, right? I basically always just put it on 6, turn it on, and then put it on 10. On your Ninja here, you have the option to do manual, but you also have the option. The secret of the Ninja Detect Duo Power Blender is that it has the blend sense. So basically, you just put what you want inside of the pitcher, that 72-ounce pitcher, and the machine is going to detect it, and then you just put it on blend sense, and it's going to convert it into something smooth. It's going to do it in a separate process depending on what it detects, but it's going to work. If you put it on manual, you can just control the actual speed. So it's going to go from 0 to 10. You have pulse as well. And on blend sense, there is something called liquid detect, and then there's kind of something called torque detect. And torque detect is just related to things that are frozen or that might require more power. So then your machine is just going to torque it up. And it has a lot to do with how much resistance the blades are getting in order to activate that. There's buttons on the top, so that makes things a little bit easier because I like that there are analog buttons and then you have that more digital dial. Being totally honest, the dial gives you more information, but I never really found myself looking at the dial. And it's all done now.
So good now. We need to cook.
But just wait, my son wanted to add another banana. So we're going to add another banana and see how well it can mix in without having to be plunged into that mixture. And you can see it gets all chopped up. That full size banana gets all chopped up and blended in. And by the end of it, the cycle, 1 minute later, you're going to have a fully blended smoothie with the additional banana all inside. Ninja Blend Sense does work really well. I mean, I put in a banana and I didn't need to stir it and it still blended the entire banana after the fact. Easy. Watch on mine. Came out absolutely creamy and smooth. For the value here, this is hard to beat because this is also a food processor. It's quieter. It has the digital commands. It looks good. And to be honest, when we get a blender, we just want to know if it works. And extremely smooth. This is Vitamix-like. And it did it just as quickly as the Vitamix. So as a smoothie maker, this is awesome. I just think if you want to do something more industrial, like make soups, or do something that a Vitamix or you need more power like, then you're going to go to the Vitamix. But other than that, the Blend Sense can do everything else the Vitamix can do, and it can do it a little easier. But let me double check on the Vitamix Explorian just how smooth and consistent it can make your smoothie. So here we are. Wow, that's pretty smooth, guys. So the Ninja is great because you could just set it and let it do its thing, but it's not going to be the same consistency as a Vitamix. The only question now we have is how is the Ninja reliability going to be in the long run? Because we know that a lot of Vitamixes come with somewhere between a 5 to 7 year warranty, even though they're more expensive. The Sharks do not come with warranties that long for their food processors and their blenders. So we're really going to try to see how long can this last? Because I have a Shark blender that lasted me over 5 years, but then I have a Shark blender that only lasted me 2. So your mileage may vary in terms of the reliability, but this is a good looking, solidly built, and well-established product. The Ninja has really been making incremental improvements for the last 5 years. So, do I like the Blend Sense? Yes. Do I think it's good? Yes. Should you get it? Well, it depends on the price. If it's on sale, yes. I'll catch you next time. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. And please hit that like or subscribe button because it really does help support our channel. And I'll catch you next time. Dave with the French Clothes signing off. Bye, bye, bye.